Right, so the guys went away to get gin and ketchup it is, so everyone's chipped in for those things, and it looks like maybe some ice too Mary Joy has there. In the meantime, Anne's been getting these ones all off, so this is what we've got. We've got rice, chicken, 2 of the pancit, so quite a lot of the pancit actually. Then we have biko, Anne's cutting it into wee squares now. Behind that is macaroni salad. And then after that is the cake. So happy birthday Papa from Dylan. You should have put and Anne as well, but it's got marshmallows, hearts, and then like a vanilla flavour I think. More fried chicken, and then there is the buku salad. And actually these guys yesterday, they went out and scraped the trees, or got the coconuts out of the trees and then scraped all of the coconuts. We're worried that the cake was melting. It's only ever so slightly melted. And there's the man of the hour, the man of the day himself. Right, he's ready. With the popcorn too.
Yung mga visitor mo, may ano na, ilan na lang yan. Nabawasan na yan.
So yeah, no, this is a really good vibe. We're all very, very hungry. All the kids earlier, while they were away getting back, were starting to sing happy birthday. Like, come on, let's just sing it and do it. So yeah, everyone's definitely ready to eat now. Like, we've got our Coke also. I forgot the buko juices from the coconuts too. What? Right. I'm embracing the chaos, guys.
Mag-pray na tayo in the name of Father and the Son of Spirit. Amen. Panginoon, maraming salamat po sa araw na ito na pinagdiriwang ng aming kapatid ang kanyang kaarawan. Nagpapasalamat kami sa kanyang mga bisita, sa pamilya at mga kaibigan. Nawa po Panginoon, patnubayan at pangalagaan mo po siya palagi, bigyan ng lakas, kalusugan sa pang-araw-araw upang maitaguyod ang kanyang pamilya. Nagpapasalamat din naman po kami Panginoon sa lahat ng nagtulong para sa kanyang handa na aming pagsasaluhan ngayon. At nawa po Panginoon, magkaroon ng kasiyahan ang bawat isa at mabusog at maging masaya sa buong araw. Ang lahat ng ito ay aming panalangin sa pangalan ni Jesus.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. I need to learn that one.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! And the gin has arrived.
Picture muna, picture.
Atras ka, te.
Wala, gutom na. Gutom na kami.
Picture muna. Ulo ni Ate San.
Bisa nyo nagakulog na.
Oy, Piero Man!
What happened? What the heck happened? I don't know. I thought something was happening down there. Right on, come on. Brutal fight! Brutal fight! I'm trapped.
Isa lang lang kayo yung test.
Oo.
Ay, may na si Uncle Patrick. Wala hindi nakakain na sila.
Isa lang.
Hindi tayo nakakain. Parang kayo. Kinakain eh. Kainin mo na ako. Oh, magkakain na kayo. Kain doon. Atras sa dulo yung nakakuha na ha. Pahingi lang at isang piras.
Sige, Auntie Susan, dito ko na